So children, today we will revise one's linear equations into variables full lesson. All important questions we will discuss once. Okay, first question we will discuss upon graph, how to find out x and y using graph. Okay children. So solve graphically they will say, and sometimes they will even ask you to shade the region formed by on the x-axis or y-axis, anything they can ask it. Okay, one question I will say children, suppose x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, children, minimum three coordinates you have to find out, children. Minimum three coordinates to draw a line. Two is enough, but three you better, children. Okay, so children, x plus y is equal to 3 means x is equal to 3 minus y or y is equal to 3 minus x. Anything is okay, no problem. Now, like this, you put children, this is x, this is y. Okay, if y is 1, what will be x, children? 2. If y is 2, if y is 2, 3 minus 2, what is x children? 1.
One.
If x is 3, if x is 3,
Zero.
y is 3, x is 0. Okay, so you got three coordinates children, 2 comma 1 you got, 1 comma 2 you got, 0 comma 3 you got. Enough. Okay, now in the same way, for this also you have to find out coordinates children. What is it? 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, children? Which one you want children? Shall I make subject x or y? Tell me your wish. Whichever you want, I can make.
X.
You want me to make x? If you make x as a subject, 3 will be the denominator, children. Little bit tough it will be. Means we have search for the multiples of 3. If you make the denominator as 2, it will be easy. No problem, we can make anything, but it will become difficult. So I will show you with the y children. See, 2y is equal to 3x minus 4. This I got here, this I took here. Y is equal to 3x minus 4 by 2. Children, if it is possible, always keep 2 or 5 in the denominator. No, sir, if it's not possible, means 3 also we can keep, but it will become, you have to think. Okay, so now, children, again, same coordinates we will find. Just see, children, here. So, what happens means x, y. Okay, children, if suppose x I put 2, if I put x is equal to 2, 3 2s are 6, 6
One.
minus 4, 2, 2 by 2, 1. Suppose if I put x is equal to 0, minus 4 by 2, how much children?
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Suppose if I 6, suppose you may ask 3 is not possible, means points will come, 3
Four.
to 4, 3 4s I will put children. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 4, 8, 8 by 2, 4. So here also we got coordinates 2 comma 1 we got, minus 2 comma 0 we got, 4 comma 4. Now you should start drawing the graph children. Okay, with available coordinates we should draw the graph. Okay, so when you draw coordinate axis, okay, this is your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So first for this line we will draw. That I will draw with the solid line, this I will draw with thin line. So that to differentiate both the, and remember children, all the lines should be in straight lines because they are linear equations. Linear equations, straight line. Okay, all the lines should be straight. If they are not coming straight means you might have done somewhere mistake. Remember that. Okay. So 2 comma 1. First one is 2 comma 1 means here. Second one 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Third one is 0 comma 3. Okay, children, so you can extend this line like anything like this. You can extend it. This is, and you have to put 0 comma 3. This is how much, children? 1 comma 2. This is 2 comma 1, and this is line A, one line. Now we will like draw line B. Okay, children. So what is the first one? 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. This will put cross. Okay. Second one is minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0 means here only, children. Minus 2 comma 0. Third one is 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4 means here somewhere you will get children. Here you will get somewhere. Okay. Actually, since this is my own drawing, little bit is coming. It should come straight line, children. Actually, it will come straight line. Okay. 4 comma 4. So if you draw children, it will come somewhat like this. It is a straight line. This is 4 comma 4. This is 2 comma 1. This is minus 2 comma 0. Remember, wherever they are meeting, that is value of x and y. Wherever they are meeting, that is value of x and y. Means without solving, you did with the graph. Wherever they are meeting, that is the value of x and y. So value of x and y is 2 comma 1. Now here the question comes. Sometimes they will ask you to draw the figure formed by draw the shade the triangle formed on x-axis. Shade the triangle formed on x-axis means this triangle we should shade. Sometimes they'll ask you what is the area of this triangle also. Sometimes they'll ask you what is the area of this triangle also, children. If they ask area of this triangle, what you do? Half into 2, 3. How much is the distance, children? 2 to 3, 5. And how much is the height, children? 1. So it is 2.5 square units. Sometimes they'll ask.
How can you say it is right angle triangle?
This will be perpendicular, no, Nana. This is perpendicular, no, Nana. Won't it is perpendicular?
Okay.
How could you place it to height 4? Okay, so next one, children. Next one, they will ask sometimes to shade the triangle formed on y-axis. This is formed on x-axis. Sometimes they'll ask triangle formed on y-axis. Then you should shade this one, children. This one you should shade. This one you should shade. Understood, children? Or they may ask what is the area formed by this. You can also say half into from 1 to 3 only it is there. Base is 2, children. Height is up to 2, children. Height is up to 2 because till 2 it is going up to 2. So answer is 2 square units like this. Different questions. Sometimes they'll ask only to draw the graph and what is x and y. You will get. Sometimes they'll ask you to share the region formed on x-axis means you should share this. If they ask area, find area also. Don't forget to put units, square units. If they ask you to shade triangle formed on y-axis means draw this triangle. And if they ask area, this many questions are possible. First to draw the lines and to find x and y, to shade the x-axis or to shade y-axis, and to find the area, to find the area. This is the questions possible. And if nothing is there in the denominator, it will be very easy, children. If it is there in the denominator, searching for the multiples will become a little bit confusing. So 2 or 5 is there, better to take them 2 or 5 down instead of taking 3 something. Because 3 also no problem, we have to keep on searching, which will give whole numbers. If they don't give whole numbers, you will get points. Decimals means a little bit laborious process, little bit, not very tough, little bit, that's it. Okay, children, so you have to practice at least 3-4 sums, then you'll become perfect with the sums. It's nothing, children, very easy. So wherever they meet, two lines, that is x and y axis, and don't forget to write the scale. Never forget to write the scale, and please write the coordinates. And when differentiate, this is A line, this is B line, differentiate them with one with solid line, one with thin line, differentiate them and draw neatly, children. Don't forget to put scale, children. Scale is very important, always. Okay. So this is how we are going to draw the graph, and you are finding x and y. You are going to share the region. You are going to share the region. You are going to find the area. You are going to find the area. Okay, children. So this is perpendicular. That's why I took height. This is base height. Base height. That's it. No problem with it. Not for right angle triangle, children. For any triangle, half into base into height is the formula, but it should have height. That's it. Okay, children. Thank you. Next question, children.
Sir,
No, yeah.
shouldn't 0, comma minus 2 be in the between the third and fourth quadrant?
Yeah, 0 comma minus 2.
Sir,
I took wrong. 0 comma minus 2 means I took minus 2 comma 0. Na?
yes, sir.
I'm sorry, children. So 0 comma minus 2 will be here, children. I'm really sorry. Okay, once I will show. I will show once. Really, I forgot. I just did do like that. Yeah. But I hope you all understood what is the thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Second one, first one you understood, no, children? Okay, anyway, again I will draw. First one is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. Second one is 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Third one is 3 comma 0. So 3 comma 0, children. So the line is coming like this. And second one, okay, this is line A, and I will write the coordinates also. Don't forget to write coordinates. Second one is 2 comma 1.
0, 3.
Which one?
X and Y. First one.
So this is 2 comma
0,
1.
you
0,3. You took
comma
3,0.
Again I took wrong. 0 comma 3. Yeah? So 0 comma 3 is this one. So this one. Okay. Again I did wrong. Sorry. 2 comma 1 is here, children. Okay. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is this. Third one is 0 comma 3. Yes. Okay, like this is coming. Second line, children, 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. And next one is 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 means it will come here, children. Yes. And 4 comma 4 means somewhere it will come here, children. 4 comma 4. This is 4 comma 4. Now it will go like this. Okay. So if they ask you to share a triangle formed on x-axis, this is going to be the shading. If they ask you to share the triangle formed on y-axis, this is going to be the shading. And area, half into base is how much? From 1 to 3 means 2 units. Height is going to be only 1 unit because up to 1 only it is going 1. So answer is 1 square unit. And here half into base is how much? Minus 2 to 3 means 5. And height is going to be maximum up to 2 only it is going. So 2. So answer is 5 square units. Thank you, children, for rectifying the mistake. Okay, so be careful, children. Please draw this like this film. Okay, second question.
I have one question, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
అదే ట్రయాంగిల్ లైక్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఒక నెంబర్ మీద ఉండకపోయినా అప్రాక్సిమేట్ వాల్యూ తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చు.
ట్రయాంగిల్ ఒక నంబర్ మీద ఎలా ఉండదు మనము అందుకే హోల్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకోమని చెప్పాను కదా. లేదు నేను అప్రాక్సిమేట్ తీసుకోవద్దు, నేను అప్రాక్సిమేట్ తీసుకోవద్దు. నీ 1.2 or 1.5 or 1.4 something you will get, no?
Yes.
Something you will get. You should not take approximate, no? Because they will not give, because graph means it is correct procedure.
Okay, sir.
Next question, Jacob. So the next question is like this. So, suppose the question comes like this. Okay, so I hope you know all these questions, but anyway, children, here in many times students will do a small mistake here. I will say that 2 by root x by 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Many students will commit a small mistake. In spite of doing correctly, they will do one small mistake. What is that mistake? I will tell you. Now, let me take 1 by root x as
A.
And 1 by root y as b. So answer is 2. This is, and this is what, children? 4a.
Minus 9b is equal to minus 1.
Multiply this equation with 3, children.
3
6a.
plus 9b is equal to 6.
So children, this goes away. So 10a is equal to 5. A is equal to 1 by 2. Since you got a, now you will find b, children. I will substitute in this, okay? So when you substitute in this, what happens, children? So
2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b
2 into 1 by 2.
plus 3b is equal to 2. 1 plus 3b is equal to 2. 3b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 by 3.
B is equal to 1 by 3. Now, children, this is okay, fine. Now, what was a we thought, children?
Under
1
root.
by root x.
What was b, children?
1 by root y.
So root x is equal to how much, children?
2,
Root y is how much, children?
3,
Now, what is x?
4.
What is x? If you remove root, this will become 4. If you remove root, this will become 9. Many people will do small mistake here only. They will find out root of 2. They will write here we remove root of, they will write the root 2 and root 3. That is wrong, children. Many people what they will think root x is equal to 2, no? Here they will put root and x is equal to root 2, they will write. Don't do that mistake, children. So if root comes here, it will become square. If root comes here, it will become square. So answer is 4 and answer is 9. Like this, children. This question is also very, very important. 100% guarantee, children. Like this question, compulsory it will come, children. Okay, because we will commit such a mistake there. Okay, like this, children. I hope you all understood. One more sum, children. Okay, children. So if root x is equal to 2, what is x, children? 4. If root x is equal to 3, what is x, children? 9. If root x is equal to 4, what is x, children? 16. For your sake only, I'm telling you, children, try to understand. Okay, next question. This question. So x plus y is by xy is equal to 2. Another equation is x minus y by xy is equal to 6. Here also many people will confuse here. It's not confusing question. Just
Let 1 by x by y is equal
first you have
to
to split and show them. First you have to split and show. How do you split? How do you split?
x by y plus y by x by
X
y
by x by y plus y by xy is equal to 2. This is first. And here x by
x by x
xy.
minus y by xy is equal to 6.
Like this you have to split and show, man. Okay? You have to split and show. And
Cancel.
x cancel, y cancel, x cancel, y cancel. So 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 2. And here 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 6. Regularly we will take this as b.
b a
Regularly we will take this as a. And this is
b
b.
plus minus a is equal to 6.
What are the equations we have?
b plus a is equal to 2. b minus a is equal to 6. Cancel a. 2b is equal to 8. b is equal to 4.
b is equal to
Substitute in
4 minus a is equal to 6. A is equal to minus 2.
minus 2.
But b is equal to 4. What was b, children? 1 by y.
1 by y.
So what is y?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. 1 by 4. Be careful regarding here also. 4 is next. Those who didn't understand again. A is equal to what? Minus 2. What is a? 1 by
1 by
x. Reverse this. This also will become x is equal to
2.
minus 1 by 2. Here you should be careful, children. Here you should, so all they will write x is equal to minus 2. Don't write here. If you reverse this, this also become reverse. Be careful, children. And what I am splitting, I am showing, see children, x plus y by xy is equal to 2. So individual splitting I have shown. Suppose same question, xy by x plus y is equal to 2 if they give. Can you split, children? No?
Can't split.
You can't split. Only if plus is there up, you have to split. If you want to split, what you should do? If you want to split, what you should do this? Anyone?
Rational.
Anyone? No? If you want to split this, what you should do? Anyone in the class? What should run?
Transfer it, that's it.
No, okay. Reverse both the cases. Reverse.
Okay.
X plus y by xy is equal to 1 by 2. You make it. Now you can split. So x by xy plus y by xy is equal to 1 by 2. This gone. This gone. Now you will get the answer. This you reverse. This you also reverse. Only if you reverse this and if you keep this straight, no. Both of them you take reciprocal. Both of them you take reciprocal. This is one variety of the sum where things get confused, children. Don't get confused. Very, very easy sum of children. Sometimes new trend has come, children. New trend has come. What does that mean? They are giving three equations, children. Three equations are given. Okay. Then when seeing three equations only, many people will just feel nervous, children, like this. Okay, x plus y plus z is equal to 2. So 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0. Since three variables are there, three equations are needed. Two variables are there, two equations. If three variables are there, three equations needed. Compulsory three equations needed. If not, we can't do. If like this question comes, what we will do?
First, solve two equations. That equation substitute with third equation.
Yeah, any two equations we have to solve, children. Any two equations we have to solve. So we will solve these two equations, children. Anything you can solve, no problem.
Yes. Sir.
X minus y plus z is equal to 4. And here, what is that, children?
X plus y plus z is equal to
X
2.
plus y plus z is equal to 2. If you
Z.
solve this,
Y cancel.
2x plus 2z
is equal to 8. 8.
X plus z is equal to 6 by 2. How much, Amma? 3.
3.
Okay, children. So x plus z is equal to 3. You have, children. So this is not possible. One small, once do like this, children. I will say. What you do is first x minus y plus z is equal to 4. See, children, all of you. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. Now you remove the entire equation, children. You remove the entire equation. Means minus plus minus minus. What happens? This will go. This will go.
Sir, already it is plus, no, sir.
This is plus, no, minus. Okay, minus. So children, minus 2y is equal to 2. So y is equal to how much, children?
Minus 1.
Once you got y is equal to minus 1, now happy, children. Now you can do anything, children. So I will solve another two equations. I'll solve another two equations, children. So when I solve another two, because this is same sense are there, it will not be this two. So what will be this equation, children? X plus y plus z is equal to 2. If I put minus 1 here, x minus 1 plus z is equal to x plus z is equal to 3. This is one equation. How this equation will turn? 2x minus 1,
1 minus 32 is equal to 0.
not 32, 3z.
3z, sorry.
Okay, 2x
2x
minus
minus 3z is equal to 1.
1. Now we have two equations. We will multiply this equation with what? 3.
3.
Multiply with 3, children, what happens?
3x plus 3z is equal to 9. Cancel 3. 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 2.
Now x is there, y is there. Substitute x here or here, children. I'll substitute here. So 2 plus z is equal to 1 over children. So answers are 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 like this. Okay. And one value if you find out, remaining all values easily you can find out, children. Okay, latest variety, children, because three equations giving will become latest trend. Because by seeing three equations, many people will feel nervous, children. Please don't feel nervous. It's very easy. Just you have to practice 2 3 sums. That's it. Okay, so this is also one variety which I wanted to discuss with you. Next one, children, I want to discuss. Children, so it's a following method. Cross multiplication is somehow it's deleted. So it is deleted. Children, regularly they are asking this question, children. Okay. Regularly they are asking this question. I want to show you that. But they used to ask previously in cross multiplication method. Since cross multiplication method is gone, now you people are lucky, children. They are asking this question, children. A minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 2a square minus 2b square is one equation. The other equation is a plus b into x plus y is equal to 4ab. This is the other equation. Okay, since cross multiplication is not there, happy children, because in cross multiplication doing this is a little bit lengthy it will become. In the elimination method, it will be very easy, children. Okay, so one equation is ready, x and y are. One equation is not ready, let it make it ready. So this into this is a plus b into x. This into this is a plus b into y is equal to 4ab. Keep this under this children. So what happens? A plus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 4ab. Now change the signs. Whatever signs you are changing, it should be visible that minus, minus, minus. This will go directly, children. So what will this become? A minus b x minus a plus b y is equal to 2a square minus 2b square minus 4ab. Okay, children? Oh, I'm sorry, children, this is also x only, no? So take x common. Okay, if you take x common, a minus b minus a minus b is equal to, take 2 common, children. If you take 2 common,
A square minus b square minus 2ab.
what is the use? All minus only is there, no? No problem, leave it like that only, children, because no use is there. 2a square minus 2b square minus 4ab. So what will go, children? This and this will go away. X into minus 2b is equal to 2 you take common, okay, because 2 gets cancelled. A square minus b square minus 2ab. Okay, and this goes down, children. So x is equal to 2 into a square minus b square minus 2ab by minus 2b. 2 gets cancelled. So a square minus b square minus 2ab by minus b, children. Minus b. Sir, I don't want this minus down. I want to put in the numerator means. So if you want to remove this minus means, up all signs will change. Minus a square plus b square plus 2ab by minus b is the answer. Like this it will come, children. This is x only. Now we have to find out y. How do you find out y, children? Substitute x in any one of the equation, you'll get y, children.
Sir, why
Huh?
again minus b will come?
Huh? Oh no, it won't come. It won't come. Okay, substitute x in any one of the equation, then you will get, children, answer. Okay, so okay, children, like these questions also important, children. Okay, children, one second. One more question. So like these questions, you have to practice so much, children. Again, like these questions will come in class, children. First, let me discuss all varieties of question, and like these questions, we'll do 5, 6 sums, children. At the last, let me discuss once all the different varieties of questions, children. So next question is finding what type of questions, children. Finding what is the type of equation, children. So children, for the equation, you all know that if a1 by a2, children, what is the equation means? 1 second. Be online, children. 1 second. Children, so if suppose two equations are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and that equation is a2x plus b2y plus this is c1, c2 is equal to 0. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, what is it called, children? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. What is this called, children? Anyone?
Unique.
No solution. Unique
Sir,
solution.
unique solution.
Unique solution. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 means unique solution. Unique solution means when the graphs are drawn, they will meet at only one point. So then you will get one answer only, children. So these are called intersecting lines. They are called intersecting lines. Intersecting at one point, and they are real, children. Because you are getting answer, it is called real. Okay, good. Suppose, children, if they both are equal, suppose a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then check with c1 by c2. If this and this are not equal, no solution, children. If this and this are not equal, b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then no solution, no need to solve that sum only, children. No need to solve that sum. No solution means two lines, if you draw a graph for this both, they will be parallel lines, children. When parallel lines are there, will they intersect? No. If they are not intersecting, you will not get any solution. That's why no solution. Okay, children? So, you will not get answer here. Okay, and this is called not real consistent, children. This is called consistent. And this is called inconsistent. Inconsistent. If you are getting answer, consistent. If you are not getting answer, inconsistent. And last one, children, if this is also equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If all are equal, it means infinite solutions are there. Because answers are coming, it is consistent. Infinite solutions when you will have coinciding lines means one line will go on another line. One line will go on another line. If one line is going on another line, every point is an answer of each other. If one line is going on another line, every point will become an answer. So coinciding lines. So what are the two conditions? We have three conditions. If these both are not equal, unique. If these both are not equal, no solution. If all are equal, infinite. Please, children, remember very, very important condition, children. Basing on this, you will get comprehension also today. So children, what happens means, sir, they will give you some certain solution and they will ask you find out what type of solution is that. They'll give you certain X type of question like this. I'll show you. They'll ask you to what type of solution. Like suppose 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 10. What type of solution is this? Is it unique or is it no solution or is it an infinite solution? Intersecting a parallel and coinciding lines are like this they ask you. Consistency and inconsistent. Consistent means answer you will get. Inconsistent means no answer. So what we will do? First we will do the 2 by 4, a1 by a2. Next 1 by 2. Next 5 by 10. All are 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. If all are equal, this is infinite solution, inconsistent, parallel, coinciding like three conditions you should write. It is infinite, consistent, coinciding. It is infinite, consistent, coinciding. Three parts you should write. If you have time, draw one graph, another graph, and show so many solutions are possible. Infinite, consistent, coinciding. Infinite, consistent, coinciding. So what type of solution they ask, you should do like this, children. If they will give like these questions for 1 mark, but finding K is there, children. Finding K they will give, finding A and B. So many questions are there. 3 questions I will do, children. Basic variety and 2 tough varieties I will do. Like that questions are coming, children. Okay, so be careful, children, with this. Okay, so like this they will ask children how the questions will come in. Suppose if infinite solutions is there, find k, like this: x plus k plus 1y is equal to 4, and k plus 1 into x plus 9y is equal to 5k plus 2. Children, sometimes they will be like this: minus 4 is equal to 0. This CMO, it is there on right side. Here CMO on left side. Either you take this or you bring here, but don't do directly like this. You will get wrong answer. Whenever they give like this, because this taking here is difficult, so take this 4 here, children. Now you can do the sum. Means C1, C2, see that they both are present on either this side or that side. One on this side, one on that side, never do the sum, children. Be careful, have balanced state of mind, and with concentration you do, children. And they only claim it as infinite solutions. They only claim it as infinite solutions. Infinite solutions condition what now?
A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
What is A1 by A2? 1 by
X by oh,
K plus 1. What is B1 by B2? Don't write X, X, Y, Y, children. What is
K
B1?
plus 1 by 9.
And what is C1 by C2?
4 by 5K plus 2.
5k plus you want k. If you do this both also you will get answer. If you do this both also you will get answer. If you do this both also you will get answer. Any two you can solve, children. Which two you want? 1, 2, 3.
First two, sir.
1 and 2. So do cross multiplication. So 9 is equal to
K plus 1 into K plus 1. K plus 1 whole square.
whole square. This if it comes
Square
here, k plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3.
Minus 3.
So if it is plus 3, plus 3 minus 1. If it is minus 3, plus 1 if it comes minus 1. So k can be plus 2 or k can be minus 4, like this, children. If you don't write plus or minus, gone, children, 1 mark, 2 marks, they will remove. Be careful whenever you take anything from the root, you should be careful, children. Anything root 9 is equal to plus or minus 3. Once you do it plus, once you do it minus. But this is basic level sum, children. Little bit like this, some 100% guarantee, children. What is that question is like this? They will ask, children. I will show you. Little bit big varieties. I will show you. Okay. See, children. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Okay. A minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. 3a plus b minus 2, like these questions. And they will say this is infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. When they say like this, what is infinite solutions condition, children?
A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2.
Okay, what is a1 by a2, anyone?
2 by
2 by
A.
A minus B,
Okay,
3 by A plus B,
very good.
7 by 3A plus B minus 2.
Very nice. Good, good. So now, children, here because a and b, two variables are there, we needed two equations. We need two equations. Two equations. We will get here one equation, here one equation, here one equation. Take any two equations. Any two equations. Here one equation you will get. If you solve this both, you will get one equation. If you solve this both, also you will get one equation. Any two equations you have to take because a and b two variables are there. You need two equations. Okay, cross multiplication here. Anyone? Cross multiplication here.
2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B.
Tell them 2a plus.
2A plus 2B is equal to 3A minus 3B.
This comes here, this goes there. So 2b plus 3b is
3B
equal to.
is equal to 3A minus 2A. 5B is equal to A.
This is one equation, children. This is one equation. Now, 2, 3 is there, 1, 3 is there. Anyone, which you want? 2, 3 or 1, 3 or? 1, 3 is there, 2, 3 is there. Which one you want, children?
1, 3.
2, 3.
2, 3, tell. 2, 3. Surekala, tell.
3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equals to 7 into a plus b.
Solve.
Then 9a plus b 3b minus 6 equals to 7a plus 7b.
This you bring here, this you bring here, bring 6 here. Tell them. Very good, very good. 9a minus 7a? 2a. Tell them. So 9a plus
9a
3b
plus 3b
minus 7a
plus
minus 7b
minus 7b
minus
equals to
6 becomes 6.
6.
9a minus 7 is how much? 2a.
2a.
3b minus 7b is how much?
Uh,
Minus 4b is equal to 6. Okay. So what happens means substitute this a here, Nana. You will get answer. Substitute this a here. Tell Nana. 5b you substitute here. Tell.
2 into 5b minus 4b equals to 6.
Okay.
10b minus 4b equals to 6.
Okay.
Then
6b
6b
is equal to
equals
6. B is equal to 1.
to
Substitute here 1, you will get A also. A is equal
5.
to
5
5.
1 to 1.
A
A equals to 5.
Very good. Like this. Okay. A and B they will ask children. They will give infinite solutions. Many people, small mistake they will do. They will take x's also. They will take x and y. They are of no use. Like this question is compulsory with children. Like this only one more sum I will tell children so that you will have clarity. Okay. One more sum like this variety I will tell children. Like this question, 100% guarantee children for 3 marks or 5 marks. Compulsory it will come children because proportion is condensed. Like these questions are very, very important. In fact, even every year also like this question compulsory they are asking children in board exam. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and a plus bx minus a plus b minus 3y is equal to 4a plus b. Again, they said infinite solutions. Infinite solution. Any student want to say? New. Any other student? Any other student? Any student? Bhavika, can you tell Nana? Bhavika? Bhavika is there?
Yes, sir.
Nana, tell Nana. Very good. 2 by?
2 by a plus b
Uh-huh.
plus minus 3 by minus a plus b minus 3
Very good. Mhm.
by 7 by 4a plus b.
4a plus b. Minus go on, Nana.
Yes.
So this is possible. First, let us do this board. Tell Nana, cross
2
multiplication.
into a plus b minus 3 is equal to 3 into a plus b.
Okay.
3 into 4a
2a plus 2b minus 6.
is equal to 3a plus 3b.
3b. This you bring here, this you bring here, 6 you bring here. Tell.
Minus a
2a plus 2b.
minus 3a minus 3b is equal to 6.
Okay. Minus a. This is minus a and this is minus b is equal to 6. This is one equation. Leave it like that. You want 2 3 or 1 3 or? Baraka. 2 and 3 chalo. Tell cross multiplication.
3 into 4a plus b.
3 into 4a plus b into 7 into
a plus b minus 3.
a plus b minus 3. Can you please tell fast solution? 3 4 7.
12a plus 3b is equal to 7a plus 7b minus 3.
Minus 21. Okay. This comes here, this comes here. This let it be here only. 12a minus 7a.
5a
3b minus 7b
minus 4b.
is equal to minus 21. Now you want to cut a na b na. Tell them you want to cut a na b na.
A, sir.
If you want to cut a, what you should multiply this with?
Multiply with 5.
5. Okay. If you want to cut b, multiply with 4. Anything is okay, children. Okay. So minus 5a. Tell them minus 5a.
Minus 5b is equal to 30.
Okay.
9b is equal to
9.
9.
How much? B is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. Okay. So what we have equation minus a minus b is equal to 6. Here you put minus 1. What do you get?
Minus a plus 1 is equal to 6.
Okay. Till
Minus a is equal to minus 5.
a is equal to minus 1.
Minus
That's very good. So like this you will get. Like this you will get. So like these questions are also important. I continuously can't say this question only in videos like this questions I did many children. If you want you can check our video children. Like this question will come children. I want to say this question children. This question. Okay. What is this question? It's a fixed charge and charge per day. Two varieties are there children. One is easy variety. One is little bit confusing variety. Confusing variety. See, a lending library has fixed charge for 3 days. Fixed charge for 3 days. Here many people will get confusion children. Fixed charge for 3 days. Let us take X rupees. And then charge per day is Y rupees. Means for Children, if you take a book from the library, if you give in 1 day only, they will charge for 3 days. If you give in 2 days also, they will charge for 3 days. If you give for 3 days also, they will charge 3 days. But if you keep extra day, from then onwards, Y rupees will be added. Okay, so I will read in 1 hour and I will give the book means even then they will charge for 3 days. That is a fixed charge. Like yesterday we were doing railway reservation charges, but there it is X. But here for 3 days it is X. Be careful, children, how the equation, like these questions you should see, children, for 3 days if it is not given, happy children, it was easy. But fixed charge for 3 days they have asked. If they ask like this question, what it will become means, see here. This is Sarita paid 27 rupees for 7 days. Okay, for 7 days, one girl paid 27 rupees. How you will do this, son? Can anyone say or shall I say?
Recognize
Yes, no, yeah.
for for the first person it's 3x plus
No
27.
3x, no 3x. No,
Sir, can I tell?
Yeah, tell me.
Like equation I should tell, sir.
Yeah, equation. X
3x.
No 3x, no
Sir,
3x.
7 నుంచి
X
3
plus
days తీసేస్తే
3y is equal
4x
to
4y
7.
ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
Yes, that you have to
7
say.
నుంచి
Sir, x plus 3y is equal to 7.
4y sir.
Not x plus 3y,
4y.
Yes, x plus 4y is equal to 27. Children, 7 days means already 3 days are over in the fixed charge. In 7 days, already 3 days over for fixed charge. After 3 days, in 7 days, how many are there, children? 4 days. So 4 into y. This question is very, very important, children. Textbook question only this is. I don't know, I'm really surprised that you people did not practice. And one girl kept for 5 days and she paid 21 rupees.
X
Can I-
plus
X
2y is
plus
equal
2y
to
Sir,
is
x
21.
plus 2y is equal to
X plus 3
21.
days over, in 5 days, 3 days over means 2 days only. For the 2 days they will charge y, 2y is equal to 21. Very, 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 very important question. Okay, same question. If suppose charge for 3 days was not there, if charge for 3 days was not there, then what you would have done, children? Charge for 3
X
days
plus
is not there.
7y is
First
equal
one
to
is x plus
7y is
plus
equal
7y.
27.
7y is equal to
plus
27.
5y is equal to
And
21.
X plus 5y is equal to 21.
y is 21. If suppose 3 days was not given here, directly we would have taken fixed charge plus charge per day. But here for 3 days fixed charge is x. That's why from 7 days we removed 3 days and we put 4, and from 5 days we removed 3 days and we kept 2. This is very, very important sum, and I hope you can understand the importance of this question also, children. Definitely they will ask you. Definitely, like these questions only they will ask in exam. Okay, children. Remaining questions will be very, very easy. Like these questions only little bit confusing. Confusing, it's not very confusing, but you have to concentrate at that point of learning library. A taxi has fixed charge for 3-4 kilometers like this. Okay, children? No, one more. Children, digit sum yesterday only I told. So what are the I won't say, what are the rules for our digit sums? Digits means what we will take?
X and y.
And y.
X and y. Two original number or 2-digit number means what we will take?
10x plus
10x
y.
plus y.
And reversal number or
10y
intermediate
plus
number?
6.
10y plus x. If you can remember these 3 conditions, you can do anything on this app, children. That's it. Because these rules they won't give anywhere, children. Directly they will jump into the sums. If you know the rules, happily you can do. The rules no one will give any good, children. You should know that. Okay. So for you people, I made it as a rule and I'm giving children. Next one, fraction sums also I told children. Did I say fraction sums? I didn't tell once. I will say only fraction sum, children, so that you will not have any confusion. Fraction sum, children, it will be like this. Numerator and denominator, always take x as numerator and y as denominator. If you know this, then you can do, children. So question, children. Sum of numerator and denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator. Anyone? 4 more
2x.
2y.
twice the numerator. More means plus, times means into. More means plus, times means into. One more equation they said. If numerator and denominator are decreased by 3, sorry, increased by 3. If numerator and denominator are increased by 3, then they are in the ratio of 2:3.
2x by 3x.
No, 2x. Just 2 by 3. That's all. Oh, don't write 2x by 3. It's gone. You will get
Okay,
confusion.
sir.
If numerator is increased by 3, denominator is increased by 3, ratio becomes 2 by 3. This is one equation. X minus 2x is minus x plus y is equal to 4. Happy. And this one, children, 3x plus 9 is equal to 2y plus 6. Here this 3x minus 2y is equal to how much, children? Minus
Minus
3. Okay, so children, multiply this equation with 2. So minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. Gone, x is equal to 5. Okay, children, substitute here. Minus 5 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 9. So children, x is equal to 5. Y is equal to 9. This is numerator. This is denominator. What is fraction?
5 by 9.
5 by
5 by 9. Original fraction is 5 by 9. Like this, you should write, children, in exam. Original fraction is 5 by 9. Original fraction was 5 by 9. Like these questions will come. Shall I say one more sum or shall I go to other sum, children? You want one more sum or enough?
Other sum, sir.
One more sum? Okay. This is level 2 sums I'm telling. One more sum for you, I will tell children. So numerator and denominator means conditions are same, applicable. X by y, x is numerator, y is denominator. Okay. One more sum I will tell for you, children. If numerator is multiplied by 2, if numerator is multiplied by 2 and denominator is reduced by 5, reduced means minus by 5, the fraction becomes 6 by 5. This is one equation. Other equation. If denominator is doubled, 2y, and numerator is increased by 8, numerator is increased by 8, the fraction becomes 2 by 5. Can you make the equations, children, now?
yes, sir.
You can make the equations like this question. Because you can make the equations, you can solve. You have to find x, you have to find original fraction. You find numerator, you find denominator, you find original. One more sum for you, I will tell children. Sum of numerator and denominator. One more sum I am telling for you. Sum of numerator and denominator is 3 less than twice the denominator. Can anyone say 3 less than twice the denominator?
2x minus 3.
2y minus 3.
3 less than twice the denominator.
2y minus 3.
2y minus 3.
Very good. 3 less than twice the denominator. 3 less than twice the denominator. Okay. If you bring this x minus 2y is equal to minus 3 is one equation. And then if numerator and denominator decreased by 1, if numerator,
It becomes minus y, no, sir.
oh yeah, minus, I'm sorry, y minus 2 is minus. If numerator and denominator are decreased by 1, if numerator and denominator decreased by 1, numerator becomes half the denominator. Numerator becomes half the denominator. If numerator and denominator decreased by 1, numerator becomes half the denominator. So what is the equation, children? 2x minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. This here, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Two equations you have. Solve it. You write numerator, you write denominator, you write original fraction, and numerator, denominator, original fraction. No one will cut any marks for you, children, if you write like that. Okay.
What?
Anna.
In that question, in that before question, you said numerator is half the denominator, no, sir.
Yeah.
We take x is equal to 1 by y, I mean half y also.
How can? No, they gave a condition. What is the condition? If numerator is decreased by 1, denominator is decreased by 1, then numerator is half the denominator.
Okay, sir.
They gave condition. Directly you can't take. This is one condition, that was one condition.
Sir, can you tell ages problem, sir?
Ages, yeah. All I will say, Nana, don't worry. Everything I will touch and then only I will give. Ages problem, no, yeah. I'm going coming to ages. First I will tell easy sum children, then I will tell level 2 sum children. First I will tell one easy sum, so that you will have. So children, always remember, children, you should do carefully. Ages sums, very easy sum children. It will be for children. In ages sum, ago means minus, hence or after means plus. You should take. Hence or after means plus. What does it mean, sir? 5 years hence, father said. See children, father is there, son is there. Okay, let us take father says x, son is y. Like that you put and start doing, children. 5 years hence means plus or minus or?
Plus.
After 5 years. Children, 5 years hence means after 5 years. 5 years hence means after 5 years. So for both of them you should do put 5 and y plus 5. X plus 5, y plus 5. Okay, father will be 3 times. Father will be 3 times. Father will be 3 times. Okay, this is one equation. 5 years ago, for both of them minus 5, minus 5. Don't forget, children, for both of them minus 5, minus 5. Father was 7 times. Father was 7 times. Okay, children. So what do you get? X plus y is equal to 3y plus 15. X minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. This comes here, this comes here. X minus 3y is equal to 10. This comes here, this comes here. X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So this you bring here. X minus 3y is equal to 10. So minus plus minus, this is gone. Minus 7y plus 3y is minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Y is equal to minus 40 by minus 4 is 10. 10 years is present age of sun, children. This is 10 years is present years. You should write, please don't forget to write units. 10 years is present age of sun. Now, in any one of the equation, you substitute x minus 3 into 10 is equal to 10. X minus 40 is equal to 10. 30. X is equal to 40 years is age of father. Present age of father. Present. This is easy subject. Not. After means plus 5 for both of them you should do. Before means minus 5 for both of them you should do. Then you should put the given condition. One more sum, children. Textbook sum. Optional exercise. First sum. Anni, Viju, Dhiru, Kathy. Like that sums are there, children. Like that question I am saying, children. In textbook it is there. So what they are saying is, the ages of two friends, Anni and Viju, differ by 3 years. The ages of two friends, Anni and Viju, differ by 3 years. This is first condition. Anni's father, Anni has a father, Dharam, who is twice as old as Anni. And Viju have a sister, Kathy. Viju is twice as old as her sister, Kathy. Viju is, they are giving condition. Viju is twice as old as sister, Kathy. What they said? Anni's father, Dharam, is twice the Anni. Viju has twice as old as the ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. The ages of Dharam and Kathy differ by 30 years. Okay, children? So now this is one condition. Happy, we don't have no problem. We have D is 2A, children. And what is C, anyone? What is C?
B by 2.
Yes, B by 2. B by 2 is equal to 30 years. Over. If you can write this, now the conditions are ready. So first question is A by children. Multiply these equations with 2 and get it, children, because 2A, 2 is there. So first two equations, 2A minus 2B is equal to 6. Other one is 2A minus B by 2 is equal to 30, and minus plus minus gone, children. So minus 2B plus B by 2 is equal to minus 24, children. 2 LCM, children. Minus 4B plus B is equal to minus 24, children. This goes here. Minus 3B is equal to minus 48. B is equal to 16 years. Now substitute here, children. A minus 16 is equal to 3. A is equal to 19 years. Okay. After getting A and B, now that is 2 times A. 2A means 2 into 19, that is 38 years. And Kathy is B by 2. B by 2 means how much, children? 16 by 2, that is 8 years. All years you should write. A, B, C, D. Individual. Ages you should write. In years also you should put. Years also you should put, and you should do. Like this, children. Okay. One more I will say, children, for your understanding. One more I will say, because ages problem is very, very important. Okay, one more sum I will tell you for you, children. This is very, very super question, children. 100% guarantee question. Many times they ask, age of father, children. Father is X, son is Y. Question is coming like this, children. Age of father is twice the sum of ages of his 2 children. He had 2 children. 2 children's two children sum of age, we will take y children. If not, one child y, one child z means you don't have three equations here. They gave only two equations. That's why sum of ages of two children I am taking y. Now you see, first compulsory question children, very very important. Please make a note. Okay, so question is age of father is twice the sum of their ages of two children. After 20 years means what children anyone?
Plus
Plus
20
20.
years.
X plus 20, y plus?
40.
Yes, y plus 40. Normally we tend to put y plus 20. But here y plus 40. Why y plus 40? Because
2.
two children are there here. Y plus 20, y plus 20. Y plus 20, y plus 20 means y plus 40 children. Okay, so here, so children, what happens means, see here, after 20 years, that his age will be equal to sum of their ages. Find the ages. That's all, children. Over. This comes here.
Well, y is equal to 20.
Or else you put directly this here, children. 2y plus 20 is equal to y plus 40. This comes here, this
Y
goes
is
here, y
equal
is
to
equal
20.
to 20. This is sum of ages of two children is 20 years. That is, father says directly you get children. X is equal to 2y, x is equal to 2 into 20. 40 years is age of father. Be careful, children. This question will come 100% guarantee. Okay, after 20 years means x plus 20, y plus 40 you should take because here two children are involved, y plus 40. That's it, children. And railway reservation charge, which I told yesterday, also very, very important, children. And children, ages, enough, or shall I say one more sum? Ages. Children, ages is enough. Shall I say one more sum? Now, children, another important question which is coming regularly in exams. Another important question which is coming regularly in exams. Children, this question. Children. What is this question? Means distance between point A and B is 70 kilometers. Right? This question they are asking regularly, children. A car starts from A. Here one car starts, and here one car starts. Children. Okay. From A, and another car starts from B. Let us take this speed is x kmph. Let us take this speed is y kmph. Okay. If they travel in same direction, they will meet in 7 hours. They meet in 7 hours. No,
The
no,
same
no,
direction
no, no, no.
means
Sorry,
right
sorry, sorry,
side.
sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, Nana. If they meet, if they travel in same direction, okay, they will meet in 7 hours. They will meet in 7 hours. And if they travel opposite to one each other, if they travel opposite to each other, they will meet in 1 hour. This question is very important. Okay, I confused you. I'm sorry. I'm saying again slowly. I will say children. Very very important sum. Slowly I will say children. See here. Two conditions they have given. What is the two conditions? If they are traveling in the same direction, they will meet in 1 hour. If they travel in same direction, this fellow like this only, this fellow like this only, they both will meet in 7 hours. Okay. Now see children what happens. Slowly I will say. In 1 hour, how much this fellow will travel children in 1 hour?
1 by x.
Distance is equal to speed into time. Nana. In 1 hour, this fellow will travel 1x kilometers distance. In 1 hour, speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. And this fellow will travel how much children? In 1 hour, how much this fellow will travel children?
1 by
1 by. Okay, so in 1 hour this fellow is traveling 1x. In 1 hour this fellow is traveling 1 by. Can anyone tell what is 1x plus 1 by is equal to? This is distance. This is distance.
70.
70. This plus this is 70. This plus this is 70. Okay. Now those who did not understand again I will say in 7 hours how much this fellow will travel x? How much this fellow will 7x? How much this fellow will travel? How much this fellow will travel? 7 by. Now 7x minus 7 by is how much anyone?
70.
Yeah, 7x minus 7 by is 70. From 7x if you remove 7 by it is 70. 7x minus 7 by is equal to 70. 70 take common, x minus y is equal to 10. Under equation x plus y is equal to 70. This is gone. 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 40 kmph. And y also you can find. Very, very important sum, children. Shall I say one more sum? Is it enough, children? Like this?
One more solution.
Okay, one more subject. You want everything, children. One more subject. We see here, children. Very, very easy. Some children just understand the concept, children. That's it. Okay, one more subject. I like this only. Compulsory it will come, children, today. 100% guarantee. Point A and B are 90 kilometers apart. Point A and B are 90 kilometers apart. Okay, one condition here I write, one condition here I write, so that you will not get any confusion. In the same diagram, if I am saying, you are getting confusion. Okay, both of them, if they go in same direction, they meet in 9 hours. This speed is x, this speed is y. This speed is x, this speed is y. If they are traveling in the same direction, this is also traveling in same direction, and this fellow also traveling in same direction, they are meeting in 9 hours. But if they are traveling towards each other, they will meet in 9 by 7 hours. If this fellow and this fellow travel like this, they will meet in 9 by 7 hours. Very less time. Now, children, slowly I will say, in 9 hours, how much this fellow will travel distance?
9x
9x,
9x, because speed into time. In
plus
9 hours, how much this fellow will
9y,
travel?
9y.
9y. From 9x, if I remove 9y, how much distance I will
90
get?
kilometers.
9x minus 9y is equal to 90, x minus y is equal to 10.
10.
This is over. Now, in 9 by 7 hours, how much this fellow will travel, children?
9 by 7x.
And how much this fellow will travel, children?
9 by 7y.
9 by 7. This fellow will travel 9 by 7 by. So, children, this distance plus this distance is how much?
90
This
kilometers.
distance plus this distance is 90. 9 by 7x plus 9 by 7y is equal to 90. So, dear children, 9x plus 9y by 7 is equal to 90. This goes here. 9 take common. X plus y is equal to 90 into 7. 9 goes down. X plus y is equal
70.
to 70. So, under equation is x minus y is equal to 10. This gone, 2x is equal to 80, x is equal to 40 km/h is the speed of car. Yay! 40 km/h is the speed of car. Yay! And put x here, and y is equal to 30 km/h is the speed of car. B, like that. So, children, this minus this is 90, and this plus this is also 90, because this is distance, this is distance, this is also distance. If you take here distance, here also it should be distance. Okay, here distance, here time, here speed should not be there. If this is speed, this is speed, this is speed. If this is time, this is time, this is time. If you remember in upstream and downstream, time of upstream plus time of downstream is equal to 13 hours. All times or all distances or all speeds, all should be same units. Then only you can solve the equation. This is the basic thing you should remember. Okay, children, I forgot to say for you, distance, children, distance sums. Speed and time, distance sums, children, they are very, very important. Speed and time, when aeroplane started 2 hours late, like the questions are very, very important. Even one question also I did not discuss. And children, please see here. Okay. One question also not clear here. Okay, like these questions. Like this question, you see children. What is this means? Ramesh traveled total 760 kilometers. Ramesh traveled total 760 kilometers, partly by train. Some distance he traveled by train, some distance he traveled by car. He takes 8 hours. He takes 8 hours if he travel 160 kilometers by train and rest by car. 760 minus 160 is how much? 600 kilometers by car. This is one condition. Other condition, he take 12 minutes more, means 8 hours 12 minutes. I will tell how to solve that. If he travels 240 kilometers by train, 760 minus 240 is how much? 760 minus 240.
520.
520 kilometers by car. These two conditions they will give like this, children, and you have to solve the sum. Children, here time is given. So I told you that if time is given, here also time, here also time. So time of train plus time of car in first case is 8 hours. Time of train plus time of car in second case is 8 hours 12 minutes. Children, 8 hours means how many minutes, children? 8 hours means how many minutes?
480 minutes.
480 plus 12 is how much, children? 492 minutes. How to convert minutes to hours?
by 60.
Minutes to hours by 60. So 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12. So 82 by 10 you are getting, children. 82
8.2.
by 8.2 you should take. Okay, children. So this will be 8.2. So 8.2. Okay, children. Now you can do. Time means what, children? Anyone? Time means what? Time means what, anyone? Yesterday in upstream and
Distance
downstream.
by speed.
Distance by speed. Time means distance by speed. Time means distance. Distance. Let the speed of train is x, speed of car is y. Distance is how much in first case? Time is
160.
160 by x plus
600 by y.
600 by y is equal to 8. And what is second case? 240 by
240
x
plus
plus
520 by y is equal to
520 by y is equal to 8.2. So children,
plus
as a
1 by
regular
x
procedure, 1 by x what will take? A.
a
160a plus 600b is equal to 8. And 240a plus 520b is equal to 8.2. Okay children? Regular procedure, we'll do it children like this one. So children, this into 3 if you do 480, this into 2 if you do 480, you get 480, 480 you can cancel and then you can solve the sum. I hope you can solve the sum children, but at the end if you get A means 1 by x children. If suppose suppose children A you are getting, imagine 1 by 80, suppose A you are getting 1 by 80. So x is 80, so 80 kmph is the speed of train. Like that you should do children. Like that you should do. Shall I discuss one more sum or is it enough children like this?
One more sum.
Okay, one more sum. Okay children, one more sum to discuss. Okay. Don't forget the rules children, please. Okay. One more sum like this only I will tell children. Ruhi travels 300 kilometers partly by train, partly by bus. Ruhi travels 300 kilometers partly by train, partly by bus. Speed of train, let us take x kmph. Speed of bus, let us take 5 kmph. Two conditions they will give children. The first condition is like this. She takes 4 hours. She takes 4 hours. Okay. She takes 4 hours. If she travels 60 kilometers by train. 60 kilometers by train with 300 minus 60, 240 kilometers. They won't give this by bus. She's taking 4 hours. This is first condition. Second condition is if she travels 100 kilometers by train. 100 kilometers by train means how much in bus children?
200 kilometers.
200 kilometers by bus. They will not give other one. Okay. 10 minutes longer. 4 hours, 10 minutes. Chalo children. Now, time of train plus time of bus in the first case is 4 hours. Time of train plus time of bus in the second case is 4 hours, 10 minutes. 4 hours means 4 into 60, 240. 240 plus 10,
250 by 10.
250. 250 by 60, 25 by
Oh.
6. 25 by 6. 250 minutes. Minutes to hours by 60. 250 minutes. Minutes to hours by 60. Time is equal to what children? Distance by speed. 60
60
by
by x
x.
plus 240 by y is equal to 4.
Very good.
100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 25 by 6.
25 by 6. 1 by x, what will take children?
A 60a plus 240b is equal to 4.
Okay.
100a plus 200b is equal to 25 by 6.
Okay. This you multiply with 6 children. This you multiply with 10. Then you will get 600, 600, and you can solve the equation children. Like this question. Very, very important. So time means time only. Distance is distance only. Speed. Here we have taken all times. Okay, in the previous sum when I was telling about the they are coming together, they are going away, I took what I took children, distance I took children, like that. You should understand. Okay, children. Okay, so one more question, children. Men and women sum I told yesterday only children. Incomes and expenditures. Are you comfortable, children? Compulsory to come. Income and expenditure. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Yes, children. Once you go through children, income and expenditure, very, very important. Rows and columns, I told you, children. Give me 10 rupees, I shall be twice. Give me 20 rupees, I shall. That is also very important. This one question you see, children. Meena went to a bank. Textbook question only. This is also important. Children, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2,000 rupees. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2,000 rupees. Okay, children. What happened means, one second. She asked the cashier to give all her 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. When she asked like that, cashier gave him 25 notes together, which made up sum of 2,000. Find individually how many are 50 rupees notes, how many are 100 rupees notes. Let 50 rupees notes are X. This is Y. X plus Y is equal to 25 notes are there, 25 notes. One more equation is 50 into X plus 100 into Y
Equal to the
will be equal to 2000. Okay, children? Divide all equation 50, 50, 50, which taking common. X plus 2y is equal to 440. Solve this both equations. You get X, suppose 10 are there. 10 50 rupees notes are there. Like that. You should solve this both equations, you will get children. Okay, one second. Children, one like this sum also I will tell children, I don't know whether you remember or not. One sum I will tell this. Don't forget children, like these questions are very important. One says to other, give me, I shall become twice as rich as you. See children, A and B. A has some X rupees, B has some Y rupees. A says to B, give me 100. A says to B, give me 100. Give me 100 means what?
X plus 100, Y minus 100.
Y minus 100. I shall be twice as rich as you. Now B is saying to A, no need of 100, give me 10. Give me 10 means what, children?
X minus 10, Y plus 10.
Because if this fellow is giving 10 rupees, minus 10 here, plus 10 here, I shall be 6 times. I shall be 6 times as rich as you. So two equations are ready for you. Solve it. You will get X rupees and Y rupees. A has this many rupees. B has this many rupees. So like this question also very, very important, children. Okay, children. So marks questions yesterday I told the children this fellow get that marks. Native marking question also I told you yesterday only. Children, do you want me to discuss like these questions, children, or no need? One second. Like these questions, because such a type of questions you have to practice. On practicing only you will get, children. I told you morning. I will discuss at the end like these questions. Children, like these questions, children, like this. Mx minus ny is equal to m square plus n square. Another equation is x plus y is equal to 2m. Find out x and y. What do you have to do, children? What do you have to do, children? Multiply whole equation with m and n. Your wish.
N.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you get? Nx plus ny is equal to 2m. And this and this gone. Here mx plus nx is equal to m square plus n square plus 2mn. X if you take common, m plus n. This is m plus n whole square. This and this gone. X is equal to m plus n. Okay. Substitute in this equation. This is small one. That's right. Substitute in this equation. X plus y is equal to 2m is very small. Instead of substituting this, okay. Put here this one, children. M plus n plus y is equal to 2m. Bring it here. Y is equal to 2m minus m minus n. Y is equal to m minus n. This is the answer. Like this. Shall I show one more question like this, children? Shall I show one more question? It is enough. Little bit tough question I will do. This is the last question for the day, children. That's it. After this, I will not do. And remember, children, yesterday only I told, like this question is compulsory. I told yesterday, what is this question? I told you, like this 109x plus 695y is equal to 2, 695x plus 109y is equal to 4.
Add and subtract.
Add and subtract compulsory. It will come, children. Don't forget. Okay. One more sum, children. Tough sum. I would say last sum for the day. After this, I will not discuss any more sums, children. You have to prepare for yourself. Bx plus cy is equal to a plus b. This is very easy. No need to solve. Other equation is ax into 1 by a minus b minus 1 by a plus b plus cy into 1 by b minus a minus 1 by b plus a is equal to 2a by a plus b. This is
Let
very
1
easy.
a minus b be x a.
No a minus b x over. No, wrong. You should not. This is simply you should solve. No x, no y here. That is different sums. So here, children, see children, I am solving this slowly. Let's see here. A minus b into a plus b is the LCM. Children, this gone. A plus b will come up, and a plus b gone. Minus is there. Minus a minus of minus plus b. Be careful. Okay. Those who did not understand, again I am saying here what is the LCM, children? B minus A into B plus A. Please see here, children. This gone, B plus A will come up. Minus this gone. Sorry, this gone, this will come up, children. This gone, this will come. So how much, children? Minus B minus of minus plus A is equal to 2A by A plus B. Okay, children, slowly you should do. This is easy, children. For, to keep under this, we have to solve this. Ax into this gone 2b by a square minus b square plus cy into this gone 2a by b square minus a square is equal to 2a by a plus b. Children, here a square minus b square, here b square minus a square. I want to make this
Take
also a
minus
square.
common.
What, Nana?
Take minus common.
Yeah, here if you put minus, this will become reverse, children. Ax into 2b by a square minus b square. If I put minus here, cy into 2a by this also will become a square minus b square. Happily it will be 2a by a plus b. Now here LCM is same, children. What is LCM? A square minus b square. What is there? 2bax minus 2acy. 2ac is equal to 2a by a plus b. This a square minus b square will send it here, children. When you send it here, what happens means, see here, children. Here 2abx, 2acy. What is common, children, in this both? Anyone? What is common?
2a.
2a is common, children. 2a is common means bx minus cy is equal to 2a by a plus b into, children, a square minus b square will come here, children. A square minus b square. Slowly you see, 2a cancel. Bx minus cy is, children, a square minus b square. What we can write, children?
A plus
A
b
plus
into
b
a
into
minus b.
a minus b.
By a plus b. This gone. So what is the final equation you have? This is the final equation. This is the original equation. This is this equation. Sorry. Now this two equations we should solve. That will be easy, children. This anyone can do. Bx plus cy is equal to a plus b. So children, this gone. Bx plus bx is 2bx. Plus b minus b gone. 2a, children. 2 gone. X is equal to a by b. X is equal to a by b. Substitute x in this equation or this equation. Okay, in this or this any one equation you substitute x, children, you will get y also easily. Little bit confusing, children, not confusing. You have to practice like this 3-4 sums. If you practice, you will understand, children. In RD Sharma it is there, or else in my videos also I have given like this sums exclusively in one video, children. So you please practice if you have time, or else practice all the word problems, 2 to 3 word problems. You practice, children. Because in exam you should not, anyway you should not get doubt. Fast you have to do, children. That you will get only by practice. Anyone have any doubts, children? You can ask me.